Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 crashing, not launching, and also black screen. So before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam right over here, click library, right click on your game, properties. On the left panel, click install files and verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be affecting the crashes not launching and also black screen or any related crashes for the game. So once done, wait for it to finish. Once done, it should say all files successfully validated. Go ahead and exit this out and relaunch the game. Now if the problem still persists, let's move on to the next option. The next option is basically updating your GPU to the latest available driver. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the arrow right over here. Right click on NVIDIA settings, then NVIDIA app. A window will pop up. On the left panel, click drivers right over here. And on the top, you go ahead and just download the latest available driver for your GPU. Once the download is done, do the installation process. And what I recommend is do the express installation for your GPU. Once done, go ahead and exit this out and restart your PC for full effect. Now, if that's still if the problem still persists, let's move on to the next option. Now, go ahead and right click on your game once more, hover up to manage, browse local files, right click on the executable file for your game. So basically, your game, then .exe, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations is both checked on. Click apply, okay, and then launch the game from the folder itself. Basically that's it guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.